We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the 8.5 by 28 foot charcoal gray enclosed trailer with Blackout. This does have your jack, coupler, and safety chains up front with 24 inches of the black ATP stone guard. This has your charcoal screwed exterior. This is a tandem axle. It does come with two 5,200-pound axles with brakes on the rear. Coming around back, this does have your LED wired drive lights, license plate holder, as well as a spring assisted loading ramp. This does have your sidewall vents, as well as a passenger side entry door with the RV style lock. Once again, this is going to be your 8.5 by 28 foot charcoal gray V-nose enclosed trailer with Blackout. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.